British passport holders, there's a new rule in October 2025.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. And regarding the immigration rules changing, this is what you need to know. What's the new rule starting October 2025 for British citizens traveling to EU countries? From the 12th of October 2025, the European will introduce its new entry-exit system, EES. British travellers entering the Schengen area, mostly EU states, plus Iceland, Norway, Switzerland, and so on, will no longer get stamped passports. Instead, you will have to provide biometric data like fingerprints and a photo via automated kiosk on entering and sometimes exiting. This system will be phased in gradually and is expected to be fully operational by 10th of April 2026. So, topic of today is how's EU's EES from October 2025 going to reshape UK Europe travel? What you need to know. What's changing? Biometric checks, replacing passport stamps, possible longer lines, and no pre-registration needed. How it affects UK travellers. Well, what to expect at Dover, Eurostar, Eurotunnel, airports, UK ports will do checks before departure. Travel tips: allow more time at borders. Keep documents updated. Plan around potential delays. Looking ahead, the pre-travel, the authorisation system is coming later. Okay, all right. Also, I would like to talk on the Global Talent Visa and route to indefinite leave to remain, ILR. The Global Talent Visa is designed for leaders or emerging leaders in the fields like academia, science, arts, culture, and digital technology. I repeat, culture, arts, and digital technology. Applicants need either an endorsement from a recognized body or must have secured an eligible prestigious prize, okay? Route to ILR. Depending on how you qualify, you can apply for ILR after 3 years if endorsed as exceptionally talented. So you have to have talent, okay? Or if you won a qualifying prize. 5 years if you endorsed an exceptionally promising, if endorsed as exceptionally promising by bodies like Arts Council, England, or Tech Nation. Right. You can count time spent under the setting other than UK type visas, okay? Like skilled worker towards your qualifying period. For example, 2 years on a skilled worker visa plus 1 year on a global talent visa equals to ILR eligibility after 3 years. Continuous residence and absences. You must generally not be absent from the UK for more than 180 days in any rolling 12-month period. That's 1 year. But if you are endorsed by research bodies like the Royal Society or UKRI or have won a major prize, absences from research may be exempt. To extend the visa or apply for ILR, you must show that you've earned money in the UK in the field for which you were endorsed or awarded. So like I said previously, you have to stay within your visa chain. All right. Let me know if this helped. Okay. Until next time, and do subscribe for more.